going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today's a very exciting. I have had this muffler delete sitting around for probably like 2 months now. Muffler delete and 4 to 6 inch tip I've had laying around. Tip actually came off the first gen, and I put the 4 inch straight pipe on it with a 7 inch and just had that tip laying around. But as y'all just seen in the video, I have went through and done a whole bunch of little tedious little things that needed to be done. And one of the big ones was the tailgate here and the bumper. No, it does not match. I thought it did when I was at the scrapyard. I thought it matched, but we're gonna be sanding this thing down and painting the hood, roof, and tailgate, but that's for another video. But there's a ding here, and then there's a little one here. I don't know if I'm just gonna sand those down and debadge it, whatever. What else? Oh, there's a bad stuff. I went through, did a quick vacuum, cleaning on the carpet. I cleaned the entire headliner. It was nasty. I was missing one of these, so found one of those at Pick and Pull. I also installed new pillars. I found those at Pick and Pull, and those tie up the interior very well. Went ahead and ordered some center caps and hubcaps, so those look 10 times better without the black. I also did just get this truck back from the shop because there was some things that I just wasn't very comfortable doing, and that particularly was all new front end bars, tie rods, replaced upper lower ball joints, U-joints on all sides, U-joints on the drive shaft, and he said the AC compressor was leaking, so I told him take care of it. So the AC leaking must have been really recent because that thing was blowing really cold when I bought the truck, so I'm not totally sure what happened with that. Maybe just having it running after 2 or 3 years and it just starting to try and, yeah, no, it wasn't liking it. So all right, and that is the muffler delete. Yes, it has this angle in it because of where the exhaust actually goes up and over the axle. This muffler delete is from Diamond Eye. I don't even remember where I bought it from, but the door shipped, it was like 99 bucks, so not too bad. Better than like a $500 full exhaust. There are 2 different sizes. This is the longer one because on different year model trucks you have different size mufflers for some odd. So yes, there's this big muffler here, and then you have your big catalytic converter right there, and we will be leaving that to try and stay compatible with laws. So I've already just got the brackets off, so I'm gonna take my Sawzall probably and cut one of these because this thing is not budging. That'll make it a little bit easier on me. So gotta get out the DeWalt. So this is a much needed to get rid of this old school turned down, rusted out tip. It doesn't look good. I'm just gonna give you all a few before and after revs, and then once I get the muffler delete on there, I'll take it down the road and get y'all set up, see if we can get this knocked out. All right, well, quick little update. You know us, me, Breach Garage, we just like to make things a little easier. We just cut things out with Sawzall, because you know, after, what is it, 04, it's just not worth it. So we cut the muffler out, and then we cut it right down the middle and pry it around. And we do that on both sides, just like that. And then the muffler delete just kind of fits in there. I mean, it's like after you get the muffler out, things start looking up. So that's just a little bit of an update. We're gonna get the clamps bolted in and get those tightened down, and then I'm gonna cut this old turn down tip off and see if we can put this 4 to 6 inch tip on and crank it up, see how she sounds. So alright guys, there you have it. Muffler deleted, 5.9 Cummins. I think this thing just sounds amazing. I mean, it's subtle. It's not obnoxiously loud like my 05 is, where it's just completely turbo back straight pipe. This thing just, it's smooth. It doesn't have an extreme drone, and you can drive it all over the place. So if y'all like it, like, comment, ask whatever kind of questions y'all have. We'll catch you on the next one. Peace.